Now, once again, calculate net NNP factor cost, which is national income, and the GDP and market price. Items are given and the values are given in crores. The first thing that we do while calculating the national income through income method is we will calculate the domestic income, which is NDP at factor cost. How do we calculate the NDP at factor cost? NDP at factor cost is equal to COE plus OS plus MI. From the data given, from the entries given, find out all that falls under COE. We see we have wages and salaries 1000. Okay. Anything else? We have wages in cash, wages in time, and employers' contribution to social security schemes. Here we have employees' contribution to social security scheme. Employees' contribution is not taken for calculation of national income in income method. Only the employer's part. So COE is just 1000, which is basic salary. OS, the operating surpluses. Undistributed normally falls under the heading OS. Dividends fall under the heading OS. Yes, but we are not taking them into account because directly profit is given over here. These both are a part of profit, so we are not taking them separately. We are already included it. So what is left? Rent, interest, and profit. Rent, interest, and profit are three entries for OS. Okay. Besides that, there is nothing else. Mixed income is plus 300. That is where is your mixed income given? 300 is given. And totaling them up, we get 1650 as the domestic income or NDP factor cost. Now, what do we have to calculate? NNP factor cost. NNP factor cost from the domestic income, domestic to national, and net factor income from abroad. Put the values. 1630 is the national income. What else do we have to calculate? GDP at market price. GDP at market price. Now we have two values here. Either we can calculate it from the domestic income, or we can calculate it from the net factor income from the national income. Now what do we do? Let's take it from NNPFC. From net to gross plus depreciation. Net national to domestic minus NFI. Okay. Factor cost to market price plus NIP. Now we derive the formula. Here we have 1630 plus depreciation. Is it given? It is given under the heading consumption of fixed capital. So another word for depreciation, 50 minus net factor income from abroad minus net factor income from abroad is given minus 20 plus net indirect taxes is indirect taxes and subsidies. So indirect taxes is 100 minus 75, indirect taxes minus subsidies. Work it out. 1630 plus 50 minus into minus plus, and here plus 25. Add them up. 5, 4, 9, 12, 1, 7, 5 crores is your NBP at market price. You could also calculate GDP at market price using domestic income. Okay, by GDP market price if you want to calculate it from NDP factor cost, how do you get the formula? Net to gross plus depreciation, PP factor cost to market price plus NIP. The value was 1650, depreciation was 750 plus 100 minus 75, 1650 plus 50 plus 25, 1755, 1725 crores. You can calculate either way from the value which you have in the FC, or you can calculate from the national income, you will get the same answer. Is it very clear? Is it clear? One of you unmute yourself and say.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Kindly quickly copy this down. Kindly copy this down. Meanwhile, I will take your attendance by taking a snapshot of all of you present. Is it okay? Can I wipe out the board? Can I wipe out the board? One of you answer, please.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Kindly copy down the next question, which is shared to you on the screen. After a few minutes, I shall remove it and come on the board and do it. I read the question. Calculate national income by using income and expenditure method. Items given: wages and salaries, in cash 1000, rent 50, interest 45, undistributed profits 35, corporation tax 25, mixed income 200, dividends 45, net factor income to abroad minus 20, change in stock 40, private final consumption expenditure 800, gross domestic fixed capital formation 400, Government final consumption expenditure 300, subsidies 50, consumption of fixed capital 90, and indirect taxes 100. Kindly children, quickly copy down this question because I'm going to go to solve it on the board. Here it says calculate national income only by using income method, not expenditure method. Expenditure method, we will take it up when we are doing expenditure method. Is the screen visible to all? Yeah. Kindly note down the question quickly so we can solve this on the board. Make sure you copy the figures properly. Have you copied down the question, all of you? Have you copied down the question? Can somebody answer? Those who have copied. Okay. Now, first and foremost, like I said, we calculate the NDP at factor cost, domestic income, which is COE plus OS plus mixed income. Now let us see what all comes under COE. What are we given? We are given wages and salaries in cash, which is 1,000. Anything else? Rent, interest, and distributed profits, my corporation tax, all this comes under OS. Net factor, nothing else. So COE is 1,000 plus OS. Now OS we will take rent, interest, undistributed profits, and corporation tax separately because there is no profit given there. These are all parts of profits, so they are all part of OS. So we will take rent 50 plus interest 45 plus undistributed profits 35 plus dividends, which is 40, dividend 45 plus corporate tax 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items will be taken under the heading OS, operating surplus. Plus fixed income is given. Next income is given as how much is it? 200. Okay, so 1,000 plus 50 and 45, 95, 130, 175, 200 plus 200, that is equal to 1,400 crores is your NDP or domestic income at factor cost. From this, we will derive the NDP at factor cost, national income from NDP at factor cost simply by adding NFIA, net factor income from abroad. Okay, that is equal to what we have calculated 1400 plus. Now, net factor income of abroad is calculated as factor income from abroad minus factor income to abroad. Factor income from abroad, there is no value, so we will take it as 0 minus factor income to abroad is given as minus 20. Factor income to abroad is given as minus 20. That is equal to 1400 plus minus into minus plus 20. That is equal to rupees 1420 crores. So, quick revision. First step, calculate NDPF factor cost, which consists of all these three: COE plus OS plus MI. COE is given 1000, wages and salaries. Then operating surplus is 50, rent 150. Was it? Question was, yeah. Rent 50, interest 45, undistributed profits 35, dividends 45, and cooperation tax 25. All these will come under the heading OS. Next income is given as 200. Total them up to get your domestic income and NDPF factor cost. Now to calculate national income from domestic income, domestic to national, we add net factor income from abroad. Value we have already calculated 1400 plus NFIA is calculated as factor income from abroad minus factor income to abroad. Here, factor income to abroad is given in the question, and factor income from abroad is not given, so we are assuming as 0 minus 20 is given, minus plus, adding them up, get 0 as the answer. Can I wipe out the board? Can I wipe out the board? Kindly copy down the next question. Calculate the net domestic product at market price by using income method. Wages and salaries in cash 1200, rent 150, interest 200, employees contribution to social security scheme 100, employers contribution to social security scheme, that is 150, private final consumption expenditure 800, net exports 50, operating surplus 600, income from abroad 100, net domestic fixed capital formation 500, government final consumption expenditure 600, income to abroad 50, gross national disposable income 2150, net indirect taxes 100, value of output 2000, net national disposable income 2100, change in stock 100. What do we calculate? Net domestic product at market price. Okay. Copy this. Yes, copy this down. Is it okay? Yes. So the first thing we do, like I said, NDP at factor cost, COE plus OS plus MI. In this case, wages under COE, wages is 1200 plus employer's contribution. How much is the employer's contribution? 150. Plus operating surplus. Now, children, if you see in the question, operating surplus is directly given as 600. So we do not need to take the rent, interest, and all these for operating system because they are already a part of the operating system, or operating, sorry, not system, operating surplus. But the operating surplus is already given directly. So we will take it directly plus 600 is the value given plus mixed income. Mixed income is given, not given anyway. Since there is no income, we put a zero here. Now adding them all up, we will get 1250 950 crores. Now this is in what? NDP factor cost. We got to calculate NDP at market price. From what? NDP factor cost. Simple. All these are the same. Difference is from factor cost to market price. We will add MIP. Okay. So here the values is 1950 plus net indirect taxes is given. Net indirect tax directly is given as 100 and that is equal to 2050 crores. Here in the question, point to be noted is operating surplus is given directly. So we do not need to take all those parts in the operating surpluses like rent, interest, etc., which is there in the question. So we will take the value directly operating surplus. Since there is no value given for mixed income is zero. Totaling them up, we get the domestic income, NDP, and factor cost. Question asks you to calculate NDP but at market price. You already have at factor cost to market price plus NIP. Values are added to get the question answered. Any problem in understanding income method? It's a simple method. Once your basics are clear, you should have no problem. If you have, go back to the time where we have done the interchanging of aggregates of the national income. I had given you the chart from gross to net minus depreciation, net to gross plus depreciation. Then from national to domestic minus NFIA, domestic to national plus NFIA. Then similarly, market price and factor cost. Market price to factor cost, you will add NIP, and from factor cost to market price, add minus NIP, and from market price to an factor cos minus 90. These are the basics you should get very clear, which will help you to calculate your formulas without having to learn them by heart. And with this, we end today's classes. If you have any problem, please ask me and I shall be happy to solve them for you. If you do not have, then I will end today's class.